Okay, this is going to be a 30-second microwave chocolate pop cake using a ISI thermal whipper and some origami paper made out of parchment. Okay, so what we got 1 tablespoon chocolate powder, 20 grams of self-raising flour, 30 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, and 30 grams of milk. So first I'm going to pour the milk into the eggs. Then I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients. Okay, mix them all together. Okay. We're going to whisk the eggs and milk together. Okay. Then we're going to add this a bit at a time. Pour the rest in. That should be enough. Pour it into my whipper. Put the lid on. Charge with 2 nitrous oxide. 1. 2. Give it a good shake. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And stick it in the fridge. While that's chilling in the fridge, we're going to do some origami. You can use a paper cup, but we're going to make these kind of parchment boxes. So to do that, all you need is a square piece of paper, fold the diagonals, then for the horizontal and vertical, Then fold all 4 corners into the middle. Then fold the edges into the middle. Open it back up, turn through 90 degrees and repeat. Okay, open it back up, turn the 2 sides up, and bring these other sides to form the other side of the wall. And bring it down, and it will lock in place, like so. Repeat on this other side. And it will lock down. Pinch all around the edges to make it nice and secure. Okay, and that's your paper ramekin finished. And if you want, you can make a tall version like this. Okay, so that's done. Let's get the whipper out of the fridge. Give it a few more shakes. And let's move to the microwave. Okay, so that's already set to 35 seconds. You can do it for 30 seconds, but whatever. Open this up. Got my ramekin. Got this, squared it in. About halfway will do. Stick it in, and let's see what happens. There we go. No, these a bit longer. Okay, and it's done.